In this video, you'll receive a tutorial on how to add liquidity to the voltage finance platform using the LP of the volt and wrapped fuse pair, which currently pays out an APY of 64%. So the first step is going to be to head over to the voltage finance platform. So here's their homepage right here. And then we'll be adding the LP of their native token volt and wrapped fuse. So we're going to have to acquire an equal value of each. So first I'll use this good dollar I have for tutorial purposes. So we'll swap half of it for volt, and then we will also swap the other half of it for wrapped fuse, as we're going to need equal amounts to create the LP token. So we'll just give that a second to load. There we go. And now we'll swap the other half of my good dollar for wrapped fuse. There we go. And then after you give it a second to route the trade, just confirm it in your wallet, and then right before you confirm it, you're also going to have to approve the token. And then one of the nice things about Fuse Network is that instead of having to pay up to maybe $7 or $10 to just approve a token and make a swap, say on Ethereum mainnet, if you're using Uniswap, it's fractions of a cent on the Fuse Network. So give that a second to load, and then there we go. You can check your wallet. And you'll see that we have a roughly equal pair. So then we'll head over to the liquidity section, and we will equally pair our volt with our wrap fuse. So it looks like we have more volt slightly, so we'll be able to do that. So then we'll have to approve both tokens individually. And then we'll approve our wrap fuse. And then just wait for both tokens to approve their respective contracts, and you'll be ready to add liquidity. And now we will supply our liquidity. And there we go, transaction has gone through. And now we'll head over to the volt wrapped fuse farm pair. And it's paying 56% in volt and 8% in wrapped fuse, and I really like that because I'm more bullish on volt at the time than fuse, simply because the market cap is a fraction of fuse, so it has more growth potential there. So we'll approve the LP pair, the contract to deposit, and we'll set our spending limit to max because we want to be able to deposit our max LP. And then we'll deposit our 4 LP tokens. Now this is fractions of a dollar. So ideally, it wouldn't be necessarily worth it to farm for this high APY. However, with a larger sum, it's getting a very admirable APY at 64%. All right, and now that we have deposited our wrapped fuse in the farm, give it a second to register with the UI there. And then if we wanted to withdraw, we can see that, and that's it. You're all done, and you're already earning 64% APY on your investment. And then just taking a look at the Volt price, guys, has had some great price action. You can see a nice rebound there in the dip overall. And that's just looking at the 24 hours. Has done 2 times in the last week, and then looking at the 30-day, has done upwards of 4 times. So really good price movement there. And then one last thing that I want to share is that if you have not added the Fuse network, you can do that by going to this really handy website called chainlist.org, which has all the RPCs for Ethereum-based networks, and you can simply search Fuse and then add it there with the tap of a button. And then take a look at their Twitter to stay up to date with everything going on. Looking at the roadmap, you can see there's a ton of updates that I'm really excited about. New UI for their DEX, introducing liquid staking on the DEX with Fuse, and then also another major centralized exchange listing. Just had MEXC today where trading went live, and this is what it looked like with price action. So for Volt holders, really good day, and really looking forward to more updates down the pipeline. Got a new router coming, and then a launch pad, which I'm really excited about. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. If you need any guidance on how to add how to get funds to the Fuse network, check out this video right here, and it'll be one of the first steps there using a bridge from BNB. Thanks, and have a good one.